Binary operation. What is binary operation? A binary operation star on a set A is a function star such that A cross A to A. We denote star A comma B by A star B. Example plus in the place of a star, that is plus, such that R cross R to R by plus A comma B to A plus B into such that R cross R to R by cross A comma B to A cross B. That means star operation is a function, एटा गोटे फंक्शन अटे. सो दैट जदि आमे से फंक्शन टारे कौन कहूँ ना जदि आमे दीटा एलिमेंट आमे नबा गोटे सेट रे गिवन सेट रे से दीटा एलिमेंट रो ऑपरेशन परे जदि सही एलिमेंटा सही सेट रुहे देन स्टार इज बाइनरी ऑपरेशन. जदि आमे एग्जांपल गोटे नेली से मो गोटे एलिमेंट नेली 2 आ गोटे एलिमेंट नेली 3 एमान को एडिशन ऑपरेशन नेली नेला परे ये 5 हैला एटा बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर. जदि ये नेचुरल नंबर हेउ थाए तेबे ए स्टार ऑपरेशन बा स्टार टा एठी प्लस अछि ऑपरेशन टा गोटे बाइनरी ऑपरेशन. नाउ यू टेक अनदर एग्जांपल सो दैट स्टार such that R cross R to R given by A star B is equal to A plus 4B square is a binary operation. That means let A comma B belongs to R, that is R is the real number which is given here. That implies B square belongs to R. 4 into B square also belongs to R. A plus 4B square is belongs to R. That implies A star B belongs to R. ताने नेली A comma B पाइली A star B belongs to R. सेथि पाई A star B हेला स्टार ऑपरेशन इज बाइनरी ऑपरेशन. सही भली. नाउ प्रॉपर्टीज कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज चारिटा प्रॉपर्टीज गोटे कम्यूटेटिव गोटे एसोसिएटिव गोटे आइडेंटिटी गोटे इनवर्स. कम्यूटेटिव रे बाइनरी ऑपरेशन स्टार ऑन द सेट एक्स इज कॉल्ड कम्यूटेटिव जेतले ए स्टार बी इज इक्वल टू बी स्टार ए. ओके दैट मीन्स इन ओडिया दैट इज इक्वल टू क्रम विनिमय नियम. सो दैट मीन्स यू टेक एन एग्जांपल so that star operation such that R cross R to R by A star B is equal to A plus 2B is not commutative. Why? You take that इधर given है A comma B belongs to R, A star B is equal to A plus 2B, तो B star A is equal to B plus 2A. So A star B is not equal to B star A. So star operation is not commutative. Now comes to the associative. A binary operation star such that A cross A to A is said to be associative if A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. हमको ए स्टार बी ऑपरेशन होने के बाद सी के साथ ऑपरेशन करने के बाद जितना आई तो बी के साथ सी को ऑपरेशन करने के बाद ए के साथ ऑपरेशन किया तो उतना आएगा. तब हम एसोसिएटिव ओरिया सहयोगी नियम कहि पारिबा. नाउ टेक दैट एग्जांपल सो दैट स्टार ऑपरेशन सच दैट आर क्रॉस R to R given by A star B is equal to A plus 2B is not associative. Let A comma B comma C belongs to R. So A star B star C is equal to A plus 2B star C. That is A plus 2B, that is formula which is given here. You have to put. Now this is equal, let it is A, this is equal to B. Okay, this is equal to B according to that rule. So this is A plus or twice of B, that is 2C. So that similarly A star B star C, B star C का वैल्यू इधर डाल दिया, that is equal to B plus 2C. So similarly this is B, this is A, so that A plus or twice of B here B plus or 2C. That's why A plus or 2B plus or 2C, sorry 4C, that is here this value is not equal to this value. That's why star operation is not associative. Now identity. A binary operation star A cross A to A is an element E belongs to A if it exists is called is called identity for the operation star. If A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A, where A belongs to A, that means simple you can say A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A, and A belongs to big A, for A big A, for all A. So that here if that E belongs to the given A set, then E is the identity, So if it is commutative satisfied, then you can check identity, because if it is not commutative, we cannot say this is identity or not. Then inverse, a binary operation star such that A cross A to A with the identity element E in A, an element A star A belongs to A is said to be invertible with respect to T, the operation star, if there exists an element B belongs to A such that, this is the important concept, A star B is equal to B star A, which is equal to identity, then B is equal to A inverse if B belongs to A. If identity exists, then inverse exists. Inverse can exist, not say. So on Z, define A star B is equal to A minus B. This is a question. क्या है? Does not exist. That is commutative. A comma B belongs to Q. A star B is equal to AB plus 1. A B star A is equal to BA plus 1. That is A star B is equal to B star A. So star operation is commutative. Associative. Let ABC belongs to Q. A star B star C is equal to A star B BC plus 1. So A BC plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to ABC plus A plus 1. A star B star C is equal to AB plus 1 star C, that is AB plus 1 into C plus 1, that is ABC plus C plus 1. So these are not equal, so star operation not associative. Identity, let A belongs to Q. According to a rule, A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. According to question, A star B is equal to AB plus 1. A star E is equal to AE plus 1, which is equal to A. That implies AE is equal to A minus 1. That A is equal to E is equal to A minus 1 by A, which belongs to Q, that A is not equal to 0. So E is the identity element. inverse. Let A belongs to Q. According to the inverse rule, A star B is equal to B star A is equal to E. According to the question, A star B is equal to AB plus 1. So, A star B is equal to AB plus 1, which is equal to E, which is equal to A minus 1 by A. So, AB is equal to A minus 1 by A minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 by A. So, B is equal to that is equal to minus 1 by A square, which is belongs to Q. So, B is an element, inverse element, but A is not equal to 0. So, B is inverse element. Similarly, other question you can do.